Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I know that you want it.
The waffle of wonder.
Zap, zap, zap.
I took your juggernaut away like that. Oh, and the PPSH is mine as well. I don't have any points.
What'd you do, spend them on the box, bitch?
Trying to get 10 guns with the box glitch? Yeah, bullets. I know, the more the better. But I do more work than the three of you together with 3 guns.
Well, 2, cause the Thompson's dumb.
And I don't need a ray gun, cause I'm never in trouble, unlike you. I don't get surprise attack, cause I'm always moving forward and constantly checking my back. There's nothing you can do. Nowhere to go, nowhere to hide. There's nothing you can say. I've heard it all before. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I know you want it. And the FIW, 2 tons, both the Barracuda and Reaper, plus multiples. 2 FGs for the price of 1, cause 592 gets you money, son. When all of your ammo has run out, mine's just begun. I ain't trying to get far with you. If I walk rounds all solo, so if I'm playing a game with you, it's cause I'm bored and you're a noob. You're just a noob, just a noob, just a noob. I was playing a game just the other day, made it to round 45. It was just a question of how far to play, not a question of staying alive. Cause when you're this good, you know everything. You know how to run, and you hate camping. Yeah, you hate camping. When I'm bored, I try to kill my team. Or I rack up points and make it seem like I'm the only one playing. Oh wait, everyone else is dead? And sometimes I only play with a cure. I'll get more